Oh, hey guys, I didn't see you there. My name is Allyson Imbacuan. I'm a resident assistant in Warren Towers, and today I'll be telling you about Warren Towers and showing you around. Warren Towers houses the half of the underclassmen at BU. It's centrally located on Com Ave, so it's right next to the College of Communication and right across from the College of Arts and Sciences. So if you're late to class, don't worry about it because it's basically 5 minutes away from your classes. Fun fact, it's also the second largest non-military style dorm in America, second only to one in Texas, so it's a little bit of Warren pride there. So now we'll just show you around in Warren, so let's go. So right now we're on the 4th floor of Warren Towers. This is where the lobby is located. We just entered from security. There's a little lobby here, some study lounges, and then you can go to whichever tower or the dining hall that you choose. But we're gonna go a little bit deeper into Warren and start with A Tower, so if you'll just follow me. All right, so welcome to A Tower. So this is one of the 3 towers located in Warren, like I said before. So there's 3 elevators located right at A Tower, which will take you to one of the 18 floors that we have here. And then A Tower is also right next to the dining hall. So the dining hall is open at 7 a.m. in the morning and it closes at 10 p.m. at night. So it has many stations in the dining hall and you have free choosing of whatever you would like from each station. There's a wide variety every single day. They change it up with every meal and it's really good. So a little past the lobby, you'll find the quiet study lounge, as we call it, and the printer's lounge. So they're both study lounges. If you want a quiet time, you don't really want some distractions around you, you'd probably study here. And then my favorite study lounge, because I do like to talk a little bit with my friends, is the printer's lounge, which is located right here. So in the printer's lounge, you have some more leniency as to how much you can talk. You know, sometimes you can watch a movie in here if you would like, because there are TVs located here. And then we also have printers. So we have colored printing and black and white printing. Okay, so located right in the lobby is the mailroom, as we call it. So to my left, there is a big wall of little mailboxes that is designated to each resident of Warren. Your room key is actually the key for these mailboxes. And then if you get a bigger package, then we have the mailroom, which is where you can give your ID and then they'll give you your package because they have them all in there. So past the mailroom, we have the residence life office, which is where I work on certain days. So in here, which the hours are 9 to 5 on the weekdays, and then we also have a residence assistant on call, so you can call them whenever there's an issue, but you can just go in here if you have any problem related to residence life or you just have a problem that you don't know who to call, they're always there to help. Oh, hey! All right, so now we're in a little pocket of C Tower, which a lot of people actually don't know about this study lounge, but I spent many hours and late nights with my friends here in freshman year. Right across from that study lounge is the rec room, as we call it. So in here, we have a couple little games that you can play. We have a pool table, we have a little ping pong table, and all of these we have supplies for that you can use to play with from the residence life office. So if you want to play with your friends, just make sure you check out with your ID and then you're all set to go. Right now we're standing right in front of the C Tower laundry room. So in here you'll find rows and rows of different washers and dryers to do your laundry. So this is the big laundry room, but if you don't want to come all the way over here, which I usually don't because I live in B Tower, there's actually smaller ones located on the 5th floor of the other towers. Welcome to my floor. This is 18B. I'm the RA of this floor. So my room is just around the corner here. And then I'll just show you around what a typical dorm looks like if you have a single. This is my dorm, so I'm a big Harry Styles and arts fan. I have a couple posters, I have Harry Styles, and then, you know, the Birth of Venus, some Claude Monet. I also have a very beautiful view of the Charles River and the new data science building. I've basically seen the whole progression of it. Freshman year, my experience living in Warren was really great. My room was basically a hotel because all of my friends would come and just stop in throughout the day. It's a really great freshman community, so I highly recommend living in Warren freshman year. And then right here is the common room. So this is basically just like the basic outline of a common room. We have 2 tables and then some seats. This is where I hold my floor meetings. Or if you just want some space outside your room or just to hang out with some friends from a different floor, you can always just stay in here. Oh, you found me. Okay, so we're outside Warren again. You can see that there's students milling around because it is a typical school day. But I thought it'd be good to talk about how Warren is so unique and the fact that it's connected to a lot of restaurants. So let's just go see one right now. All right, so right now we are located right outside of Starbucks. So here you can use your dining points, and it's just like any other Starbucks. You can sit inside, order out, do whatever you want. We have Basho Express. So just like Starbucks, you can use your dining points here, and they serve a wide variety of foods, bubble tea, a bunch of different bowls that you can order from, and you can, do it if you don't feel like the dining hall food is your kind of vibe one day. Welcome to CityCo. So this is basically just a convenience store that also serves as a grocery store, right, connected to Warren. And again, you can use your dining points, but here you can also use your convenience points, similar to how you can use them for laundry as well. Okay guys, so that's about it for the Warren tour. I hope you guys enjoyed following me around today. Let me know if I did a good job in the comments section, but I actually have to go. I hope to see you all around campus. I'm late to class.